Well, it's sunny today. Hello. How do you cancel your Amazon Prime subscription? Maybe, like me, your free Amazon trial, your 1 month trial is coming to an end, or maybe Amazon is just putting the price of Prime up again. Whatever the reason, this is the Dad Delivers vlog, and the new thing I'm trying today is to cancel our Amazon Prime membership. We've got so many subscriptions. Let's do this right now. You can follow along with me. I'll put my phone app up on the screen. This is the Amazon shopping app, and we are on the home page of the app, but in the bottom right hand corner down here, can you see this stack of pancakes, or some people call it a little hamburger icon? Which do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. But we're going to click on that. That opens up this menu of buttons, and we're going to scroll all the way down to here, down to your stuff, and that opens another menu list of items. So we'll click on this. You're watching this in the future, so your app might look a bit different, but here are the basic principles. We're going to scroll down to the sub menu of account settings, and can you see here it says Prime membership? I'm going to click on that, and just in the nick of time under here, can you see it says 1 day's left of my trial? So let's see if we can cancel this subscription before that 1 day. I'm going to click on manage membership, and that opens up these options down here. Can you see there's another label for manage membership? I'll click on that one, and we have two options. I can either share my benefits with other people in the household, or the button I want is right here, end membership. I have a feeling that Amazon are going to try a few times to get me to stop cancelling the Amazon Prime. And right here, we'd hate for you to miss out on your unlimited premium delivery. I don't want to use my benefits today. I want to not keep membership. I'm going to continue to cancel. Please confirm your Prime membership cancellation. I'll just scroll down to see these terms and conditions, and underneath it says end on 7th of October, which is the date I'm recording it. And there we go. I think we've done this. The sun's gone in, everything's gone dark. It tells me all the things that I'm going to miss out on now from cancelling Amazon Prime, and there is a button here to continue my membership, but it looks as if we have successfully cancelled our Amazon Prime membership. I've got a link in the description to another video for how to do this using just a desktop computer. The sun has come out again. Thank you so much for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button if this helps you, and say hi in the comments. It'd be great to hear from you. And right here is what YouTube knows that you are going to love watching next.